All right. Today's agenda: get my ice bath done. Supposed to have it done a week or two ago. Been procrastinating. Let's get into the details on what I have to do. All right, what we have here is a 7-quart used deep freeze. Actually, no, it's brand new. I got it online. It has a hole in it. The hole didn't puncture the gases or the gas lines on the inside, so I got this brand new 7-quart deep freeze for $100, I think. All right, here I have aquarium silicone. This is to seal up all the cracks inside of there. A lot of people, when they build theirs, they will paint the inside of it with pool paint, but a lot of people don't as well. Aquarium internal filter, it's just a oxygen supply filter, keeps the water circulating and filters out some of the small particles to keep the water in here from getting stagnant or gross. There will be Epsom salt in this water as well. These filters will need changed often. And then right here, this is what makes it all work without turning this whole thing into a block of ice. This is a temperature controller. It can be set for heating or cooling. So I will plug this into the wall, plug the drop cord or plug the deep freeze into this. I'll set this at probably 40 degrees the first few weeks because I don't want to go much lower than that starting out. But when this senses it's lower or it's warming up in here, it kicks it on, and then once this probe tells this it's the right temperature, it kills the power. Because this freezer, I don't know if it would, but I'm pretty sure if you filled it all the way and then turned it on, tried to keep it without freezing, it'd probably turn into a giant ice block. And because I got a 7-quart deep freeze, I should have got a 10. I'm only going to be able to be about like, I don't know, somewhere in here with water. And the water line is going to be pretty low because I'm going to displace a lot of that water when I get in. Now I'll turn it. All right, I don't even see it real well, but right here is where the hole was. I siliconed it up. Well, I folded the metal edges flat and then siliconed it up so nobody gets hurt. Now it is time to silicone these edges, and it looks like I got to do the whole entire bottom, and then there's a seam here, and then the bottom around where the pump is. So let's get the camera set up and we'll start doing time lapse and get this thing siliconed. Alright, I got all the seams silicone. Let me show you the silicone. Aquarium silicone sealant. It is 100% silicone. This is some very tacky stuff. And when I was siliconing these edges, so obviously these deep freezes are made fairly cheap. This thin aluminum panel, when I go to silicone the corners, push that silicone gun down pretty hard, and the bottom of this panel will distort in about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch almost. So you get silicone in behind there, and when you pull the gun back, it kind of pops back out. And then after it sat up for a minute, I went around, smoothed all the edges. This bottom edge down here, I don't know if that's a edge that needed it or not, but I threw it on anyways. Here, 3-in-1 filtration. Filtration, oxygen supply, water circulation. I've seen a lot of different variations on what people use. This can be changed. You can have 1 filter, 2, 3, 7. I'm just going to use 1 because this thing is only going to be probably about this full of water before I get in. And once I displace the water, it'll either overflow or hoping to find a spot where it stops good. And then here is an up close of the Inkbird temperature controller that I got. Plug and play thermostat. You got a hot side, a cold side, and you got a thermostat right there. Oh, the camera's tipping. Well, we'll just let it tip on out and I'll say goodbye. All right, so this needs to dry. I'm hoping tomorrow morning or even tonight. I need to read the silicone seal on it's supposed to cure. Also, wipe off all your edges and corners with rubbing alcohol before you put silicone on, just to make sure it sticks better. Hopefully this thing is done, and within the next 48 hours, you guys will get the first video of me doing an ice bath in 40-degree water for about 3 minutes. It's gonna suck, but it's gonna be great for me. And as time goes on and I get the ice bath figured out and I'm able to relax once I get in there, I want to do like 3 minutes of me talking. So it'll be like a short podcast or just like a memory dump, just something. Because I enjoy those ice bath videos. Some of those people can get in and be cool as a cucumber, and other people can't handle it. I'm guessing the first couple times are going to be rough. I've never done an ice bath, but I've done a cold shower with like 42 to 48 degree water, I think. That sucked. The shower's harder because you've got all those little tiny cold bullets hitting you. This, you just get in and you sit and you wait. So we'll see. I'm excited about the health benefits. Stay tuned. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.